Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to our dedicated broker webinar on unlocking opportunities in the drone industry. A quick word on Flock. We're a VC-backed, London-based insurtech startup that's launched initially specialised in drone insurance and have more recently also launched a connected motor fleet product as well, which if you're interested in finding out a little bit more, you can always visit our website. But today's topic, we're going to be talking drones, the drone market itself. And I wanted to start with kind of maybe the elephant in the room, which is sometimes the negative coverage that drones do get. What's interesting though is actually the stories of drones for good far outnumber the stories for drones for bad. And when we've seen NHS drone deliveries this year, we've seen various flight demos for flying taxis and urban air mobility is very much coming a reality now. And incredible use cases of drones being used in emergency efforts. Mozambique's a great example, fighting malaria in Tanzania, and even finding lost children and various missing people through using infrared cameras fitted onto drones. And us as an insurance community, it's very much our job to enable drones for good and enable these operations. The drone industry is growing at a very, very rapid rate. And by 2025, we estimate just under 250,000 commercial drone operators in Europe, which then feeds into a drone insurance market, which is growing quickly as well. And it's currently estimated as a £1 billion opportunity. But that's set to grow 50% year on year. Calculating drone risk can seem quite tricky. And that's why at Flock and at the center of everything we do, we have Flock's Risk Intelligence engine, which powers both our drone and motor products as well. And what it does, very simply put, is that it ingests a load of unstructured data and emits quantified risks. And that's where sort of Flock comes in with the facility that we have and the capacity that we could provide to supercharge that speed of service for our broker partners. We look to reduce admin with automation. So the ability to be able to produce all of this digitally with the data-driven smart pricing engine that we have underpinning this. And then the ability to be able to offer a superior product for your clients. One that's fully digital, paperless from the quote stage all the way to document delivery, and a possibility through the portal to adjust policies. And so that's it for the presentation, at least. We'll contact information's on the screen there. I'm on LinkedIn, of course, as well as Twitter. Feel free to reach out to me if you want to work with us, want to set up an agency, and we'll look forward to hearing from you hopefully soon. Take care now. Cheers. Bye-bye.